Hello everyone and welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we'll show you how to connect the Skydroid G16 radio controller to the CUAV X25 flight controller. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the wiring process and how to complete the connection setup in both QGroundControl and Fly GCS. This video is divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to wire the system. How to verify that the connection is working properly. What products are used in this test? The products used in this test include Skydroid G16 radio controller, GR01 receiver, CUAV X25 flight controller, CUAV PMU2 light power module, TATA 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used include TELM 1 Plus SBUS cable, G16 receiver power cable, X25 EVO power cable, QS8S to JST adapter cable. How to wire the system. First, let's connect the hardware. Connect the telemetry port and SBUS output port of the GR01 receiver to the TELM 1 port and RC port of the CUAV X25 flight controller. The connector specifications are as follows. GR01 receiver side, GH 1.25 pin connector. X25 TELM 1 port, GH 1.25 pin connector. X25 RC port, GH 1.25 pin connector. Next, connect the power system. Connect the PMU2 light power module to the TATA battery. Then use the X25 EVO power cable to connect the power C1 port of the flight controller to the power port of the PMU2 light. Both ends use Molex 1.25mm 8-pin connectors. Then use the QS8S to JST adapter cable to connect the power module and supply power to the GR01 receiver through the receiver power cable. The receiver power connector is XT30 on one end and JST 2.54mm 2-pin on the other. After completing the wiring, proceed with the software configuration. To verify the connection, open the Skydroid Assistant application. Then tap Wireless Settings and enter baud rate settings. Since the default baud rate of the CUAV X25 Telem 1 port is 115,200, the telemetry baud rate of the G16 must also be set to 115,200. After modifying the baud rate, click Save, then click Read to confirm that the parameter has been successfully written. Next, open QGroundControl. Click Application Settings in the upper left corner, then select COM Links and create a new connection. You can enter any name for the connection. Set Type UDE Port 14551. For the server address, enter 127.0.0.1:14552. Then click Add Server and click Save in the upper right corner. Return to the connection page and click Connect. After the connection is established, return to the Flight View page. You should now see that the flight controller has successfully connected to QGroundControl. Move the flight controller slightly. If the attitude indicators update in real time, it means the telemetry link is working properly. Open the Parameters page and navigate to the Radio Calibration section. You should see that the SBUS channels are being detected correctly and all channel inputs are responding normally. Next, let's test the Fly GCS connection. Open Fly GCS. If the flight controller does not connect automatically, click the orange area in the upper left corner and select Switch Connection. Find the G-Series radio controller icon in the device list and tap it. After a few seconds, Fly GCS will automatically connect to the flight controller. Return to the main interface and move the flight controller. The attitude data should update in real time, indicating a successful connection. Then click Parameter Settings in the upper right corner and enter the Check Rudder page. Move the control sticks and switches on the radio controller. You should see the corresponding channel values changing in real time, confirming that both the RC control link and telemetry link are functioning properly. At this point, the wiring and ground station configuration for connecting the Skydroid G16 to the CUAV X25 flight controller are complete. That concludes this tutorial on connecting the Skydroid G16 to the CUAV X25 flight controller. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more drone wiring tutorials, flight controller setup guides, and equipment reviews, be sure to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more practical drone tutorials and flight test videos. See you in the next video.